Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about some of the best outdoor patio furniture on Amazon. And you guys, I love this set. It's from Outsunny, and it is a 9-piece dining set. This set in particular is so cool because it's got that nice dining table at a really good height where you can actually have a meal. So many of the patio sets on Amazon might have a table, but it's like really small and kind of at like Ottoman height. This is going to be an actual dining table to where you can really have a meal, even like spread out, put your laptop outside, do some work and be comfortable and actually really functionally use the table. So I think that's really nice. This is also a really versatile set in that it's got your 4 armed chairs and 4 ottomans. These ottomans, of course, can also be used not just to prop your feet up, but they can also be used as additional seating as well. So you can have 8 people around this table. Really, really cool. But even though it is for a lot of settings at this table, it doesn't take up that much space because it has a unique nesting design. You can put everything in underneath the table, the ottomans come in, the chairs come in, and it's all going to come together and save a ton of space. This is made out of PE wicker, so it's going to be a lot more durable and a lot easier to clean than traditional wicker. All of this is going to clean up really easily. Just wipe down the sides of the PE wicker really, really easy. You can take the covers off of the cushions, throw those in the washing machine, and of course the table is going to have that tempered glass on top, so all you have to do is just spray and wipe down. Really, really easy to put together, gonna last a really long time, and be really durable and super functional for all of your needs, and space saving, I'm sorry. This is gonna be a great addition to your patio. You guys definitely check it out, put it in your cart. You're gonna be so happy that you did.